Shah Amanat Bridge, the second constructed across the Karnafuli River in Bangladesh. It is the first major extradosed bridge in the country. It is located along the country's busiest national highway. It connects the southern parts of Chittagong, Cox's Bazar, and the hill district Bandarban. It is named after Chittagong's 18th century Islamic Saint Shah Amanat. Construction of the bridge started in August 2006, and it was officially opened on the 8th of September 2010. The Chinese construction company Major Bridge Construction China built the bridge. The project involved a cost of Taka 590 crore, including a foreign exchange component of Taka 3.72 billion provided by the Kuwait Fund. The bridge is 950 m long and 24.47 m wide. It has 5 piers with 3 200 m extradosed main spans, 2 115 m side spans, and a 130 m approach viaduct section. Alongside 4 lanes for vehicles, the bridge has 2 1.5 m lanes for movement of manual transports like rickshaws, pushcarts, and vans. There's also a 1.5 m walkway on each side of the bridge. The bridge has a 0.5 kilometers approach road in the city end and 1 km approach road at the Karnafuli end. The bridge was officially opened on the 8th of September 2010 and was shortlisted for that year's BCI International Project of the Year 2010 award.